Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Iyarude Stitches. Thank you for being there for me, for subscribing, for your comment, for your likes and for your share. I'm so happy. For those that have not subscribed, please subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today in our tutorial we are going to learn how to cut and sew this 1440 flare. This is 1440 flare. We are going to learn how to cut and sew it. So let's go to the cutting table. So this is the fabric we'll be needing for this tutorial. To sew a 1440 flare, the first thing that will come to your mind is you are cutting four full flares. So what it means is that they are round waist measurements, or wherever you are putting it, if it's sleeve or wherever, but this particular video is for a peplum blouse. So I'm putting it at the waist. So the round waist measurement I'm using for this tutorial is 40 inches. So what it means is that 40 inches, now I'm going to divide it by 4. So the waist I'm working with is round waist of 40 inches. So now I'm going to divide my round waist of 40 inches by 4. Then when I divided it by 4, I got 10. So that 10, I have to divide it by 6.28, and it gave me 1.59, approximately 1.6. So I'm going to use 1.6 as my radius to cut this flare. Like I said, I'm going to cut 4 pieces of the flare. And also, to determine the material I'm going to put on fold is the length of my peplum plus my 1.6 inches. So the length of this peplum is 9 inches, and so my 9 inches, that's 9 inches as the length plus 1 inch seam allowance, then plus my 1.6 inches will give me 11.6 inches. So that is what I'm going to use to fold this fabrics. So let me fold the fabrics now. So I'm done folding. I've actually folded 12 inches. Yeah, 12 inches by 12 inches. So now I'm going to measure my radius. Now I'm measuring my radius now. I'm measuring it round. So I'm done measuring my radius. This is my radius. So from this my radius now, we'll take the length of my flare, the length of 10 inches. This is my 10 inches point here. So this is it. I'm done measuring it out. So I'm going to cut it out now. I'm going to first cut from my radius. I've cut out the radius. I've cut out the flare. So this is our flare now. I'm going to use this now to cut out 3 more of the flare, and also I'll use it to cut out my lining. Okay, I'm done cutting out the flare. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I've also cut out the lining for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've cut out paper stay. If you have a hair stay, you can use it. This is based on what the customer needs. So for this, I'm using this white paper stay. So I have cut out 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because I want to gum both my fabrics and my lining. I will gum it on both. So if you watch this paper style, I've not cut out the radius. I've also not cut out the radius on my lining. It's by the time I'm done joining, gumming it to the paper stay, then I will cut the radius. I'm done gumming the stay to the fabrics and also to the lining. So if you look at it very well, you will see that there are excesses edge. Even lining now, some of it is like wider than the. So I'm going to trim excesses off. Then I will also cut out my the radius on both the lining and the fabric. The way I'm doing it for the lining now, I will lay it side by side with the fabric. Then I will the radius using the fabric radius. So once I'm done doing it, the next thing I do is to open it up by one side. I will open all the fabrics and all the lining outside. So trimming out I've also cut the radius out both on the lining. So what I've also cut it open. You can see I cut them all the flares open. So what I'm going to do now is to join the fabrics together, and I will join the lining together. All the fabrics, I'll just bring them together this way. This way, I will stitch. I also bring another one and joining the whole fabrics. I will also do same to the. So I'm done joining them. This is what I have now. I've also ironed it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'll bring my fabrics this way. I'll keep it this way. I'll bring out the right side of my lining also. The right side of my lining. So I'll put it right side facing each other this way. I will now sew all this way. Okay, I'm done joining it together. See my this thing. This is my lining, this is my fabrics. I'm joined it together. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to notch it round this way. I'll take my time to notch it round. Okay, I'm done. I'm done notching it round. So you can see it. I'm done notching everything around. So the next thing I'm going to do now is what I'll do now is that I have to open it up to the end. So as I put it up this way now, I'll take it to my machine. See this our same here, same allowance. I have to push it to my lining side the way it is now. I'll take it to my machine and I will stop stitch on it till the end. See it? You make sure that it relax very well, arrange it very well before so I have to go and top stitch. So I'm done top stitching. You can see it. Done top stitching, and this is our flare. Our 1440 flare is ready to be used. This is it now. No crease, no lean. You see it? You see how it is? is the end result. You can imagine, look at the way it is now. You can imagine if you have added crinoline. You can imagine how it will be. Very lovely. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also comment. Not only subscribing, comment, and also put on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. We will see in the next tutorial. Bye.